Welcome to this guided meditation. Today we will be focusing on relaxation and finding inner peace through the power of the breath. Take a moment to get into a comfortable position, whether that's sitting or lying down, and let yourself relax. Start by taking a deep breath in and slowly exhale. As you continue to breathe deeply, allow yourself to become more and more relaxed. Let go of any tension in your body, and allow yourself to sink deeper and deeper into relaxation. As you continue to breathe deeply, imagine yourself lying on a beautiful beach, with the sun shining down on you, and the sound of the waves gently lapping at the shore. Allow yourself to feel the warmth of the sun on your skin and the softness of the sand beneath you. Imagine the sound of the waves washing over you like a soothing balm for your soul. Allow yourself to simply be present in this moment, with nothing else to worry about or think about. As you continue to breathe deeply, bring your attention to your body. Allow yourself to scan from the top of your head all the way down to your toes. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort. Imagine yourself breathing in healing energy, and as you exhale, imagine releasing any tension or discomfort from your body. Allow yourself to sink deeper and deeper into relaxation with each breath. As you continue to breathe deeply, imagine yourself surrounded by a beautiful white light. This light is pure and filled with positive energy. Imagine this light surrounding your entire body, and allowing yourself to bask in its warmth and love. Allow this light to fill you up, as you let go of any negative energy or emotions that you may be holding onto. Let the warmth of this light fill you up with positivity and strength. Now, bring your attention back to your breath. As you inhale, imagine you are breathing in positivity and strength. As you exhale, let go of any negativity or stress that you may be holding onto. Allow your breath to become slow and steady. Focus on the sensation of your breath as it flows in and out of your body. Imagine your breath as a wave, flowing in and out like the tide. Allow this wave of breath to bring calmness and relaxation to your body and mind. As you continue to breathe deeply, allow yourself to become more and more relaxed. Let go of any worries or concerns. Allow yourself to simply be present in the moment. Know that you can return to this state of relaxation and calmness anytime you need it. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes and take a deep breath in. Remember to carry this sense of calmness and relaxation with you throughout your day. By practicing this guided meditation, you are investing in your mental and emotional well-being. You are taking time to prioritize yourself, and that is a beautiful thing. Make it a habit to practice this meditation regularly. Set aside time each day to simply breathe and let go of any stress or negativity. You will find that with regular practice, you will become more centered and grounded in your daily life. Remember to be kind to yourself and know that you are worthy of inner peace and tranquility. Thank you for joining me in this guided meditation, and please subscribe to Shanti Studio for more great daily videos. May you carry this sense of calmness and relaxation with you throughout your day, and always